Wrapping a massage Chevrolet Performance LS3 and a tough Tremec 6-speed in a professional ground-up restoration, this timeless Malibu is a super cool Restomod that's righteous and ready to roll. The Chevelle is a frame-off rotisserie restored cruiser that rang up a hefty six-figure build budget before even accounting for labor and assembly. That precise reboot included solid sheet metal and sophisticated Corvette Long Beach red metallic tint coat. And that trick paint, layering both the inside and outside of the car's long body, highlights stellar build quality that's detailed all the way down to new seals, new bolts, and all new lighting and lenses. Pop this 8-body's doors and you'll find a tastefully upgraded interior that's attractive and timeless. Reclining TMI buckets join a factory bench under taut ultra leather hides and cool red stitching. A lightly customized dash hangs Dakota Digital gauges next to modern climate control and audio with Bluetooth connectivity that's wired to a 5-channel amp and an 8-inch sub. Plush carpet mounts a dressed console with a short throw shifter, and a customized steering wheel laps a tilting column that's equipped with cruise control. Sourced directly from Chevrolet Performance, the proven LS3 utilizes 6.2 liters of displacement to twist out over 400 horsepower. That mill sends torque through a familiar Tremec 6-speed back to a 12-bolt rear with an Eaton posi. Want to know the best thing about classic American muscle? The fact that it never goes out of style. And once you slide behind the wheel of a car like this sweet Chevy, you'll understand exactly why. For more information, call, click, or visit arcademotors.com.